Welcome back to our channel, where we tell you about natural items and treatments that are good for your health. Today, we're going to talk about aloe vera, a plant that can do amazing things. Most of us know about aloe vera and use it to heal small cuts and burns. But did you know that it has many other uses besides just being a great healer? In this video, we'll show you the top 10 ways aloe vera is good for your health and what it can be used for. So let's get started. Numero 1. One of the best things about aloe vera for your health is that it can help you digest food better. There are enzymes in the plant that break down carbs, sugars, and fats. This makes digestion easier and reduces inflammation in the gut. People with stomach problems like irritable bowel syndrome and ulcerative colitis are often told to drink aloe vera juice. The second, aloe vera is used by a lot of people to treat pimples and scars. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities in the plant help to reduce swelling and redness and speed up the mending process. Studies have shown that aloe vera gel can make acne less bad and stop new ones from popping up. Tip number 3. Aloe vera helps the defense system by making it stronger. It has polysaccharides, which help make more white blood cells and make the defense system work better. Aloe vera also has antioxidants that guard against free radical damage and oxidative stress, which can hurt the immune system. The fourth, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory effects can also help reduce joint pain and stiffness, which can be helpful for people with arthritis. Aloe vera juice has enzymes called proteolytic enzymes that break down inflammation and help hurt tissues heal faster. Number 5. Aloe vera has soothing qualities that make it an important part of many skincare items. It makes the skin feel smooth and soft by locking in moisture and making it more hydrated. Aloe vera also helps cells grow back, which is why it is a great ingredient for anti-aging creams and serums. Item 6. Aloe vera can be used to stop dandruff and make hair grow faster. The plant's protease enzymes break down dead skin cells and too much sebum, which can clog hair shafts and slow hair growth. The antifungal qualities of aloe vera also help fight dandruff, which keeps your hair clean and healthy. The 7th, people with type 2 diabetes have been shown to have lower blood sugar when they drink aloe vera juice. The plant helps cells become more sensitive to insulin and take in more glucose. Studies have also shown that aloe vera may lower cholesterol, making heart disease less likely. Numero 8. Aloe vera juice can be used to soothe sunburn and heal skin that has been hurt. The plant's anti-inflammatory features make sunburns less painful and less red. Aloe vera also has vitamins, which help to heal damaged skin and keep it from getting old too quickly. Number 9. Aloe vera is a natural cleanser that can help people who are having trouble going to the bathroom. The plant has anthraquinones, which help move waste through the digestive system by making the stomach shrink. Aloe vera also makes stools easier to pass by making them softer. Tip number 10. Last, aloe vera is a great element for mouth health. Its antibacterial qualities can stop plaque and gum disease from happening, making your teeth and gums healthier. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory qualities that help mouth ulcers feel less painful and reduce swelling. Wow, that was an interesting list of what aloe vera can do and how it can be used. We hope that you learned a lot from this movie and that it helped you see the amazing health benefits that aloe vera has. So, don't wait any longer. Get some aloe vera today and see how well it works to heal you naturally. We'll see you in the next show. Thanks for watching.